Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will tell how to make egg noodles. Tools: 1 bowl, 2 spoon, 3 pan, 4 filter, 5 frying. Ingredients: 1 mie instant, 2 egg, 3 water, 4 oil. 1 pour water into the pan. 2 turn on the stove and cook the water until it boils. 3 while waiting for boiling water, also prepare seasonings. 4 break the egg into a bowl that already contains noodles. 5 after boiling water, put the noodles into the water. 6 after that, check the eggs and seasoning that has been prepared. 7 for the cooked noodles earlier, don't forget to turn off the stove. 8 put the noodles in the seasoning and the egg that was prepared earlier. 12 9 prepare the frying pan with oil to cook the noodles and the egg.
No, and yes.
Turn on the stove. 9 put the fried noodles and eggs in the hot frying pan. Fry until browned. After cooked, lift and put on a plate to be served.